Today we're making garlic bread pizza. This super simple recipe, and it seems like cheating even calling it a recipe because it's only 4 store-bought ingredients, has been trending in social media, and so I'm going to give it a try. Just Texas toast, pepperoni, some sauce, and some pizza cheese. I'm going to go ahead and place our sauce on top of the still frozen Texas toast. Once we get this on, we're going to place our cheese on top, and then in this case I'm using pepperoni, but you could use the topping of your choice. After putting on my toppings, I just like to put a little more cheese on to cover it. We're going to go ahead and place our garlic bread in the air fryer. And then we're going to heat it at 375 degrees for 7 minutes. These turned out great. It was so simple. It's great for lunch or a quick snack. It reminded me when I was a kid and had a frozen French bread pizza for the first time. If you're thinking of giving this a try and want other quick recipes, please don't forget to like and subscribe.